I told you, no animals in my kitchen. Put that down right now.
Hi. Oh my gosh.
Excuse me, this is the third time you gave me the wrong flavor. Do you hiss at all your customers or am I just special?
The table's waiting for their shrimp fried rice. If you're this slow, I'll finish it myself. Move! Ow! Alright.
Excuse me, this is the third time you messed up my order. Don't you meow at me. I want to speak to your manager right now.
All right, let's see how this turns out.
You expect me to trust a paw print as proof of purchase for my broccoli cheddar soup? Don't you meow at me!
You're actually doing it? Oh my. Alright, let's see how this turns out. Whoa, hey, okay, you think it's a real kitty, huh?